Urban waterfronts are at the front line of a changing risk context, exposed to repetitive and worsening tidal flooding, storms and storm surge, aging infrastructure, and other complex risks that threaten communities, ecosystems, and economies. These spaces are critical areas for recreation, tourism, transportation, and commerce, but now they must evolve to meet growing needs around resiliency and sustainability. In this episode of Current Briefs, we explore how cities and many other types of organizations around the country are tackling these challenges head-on.
Flooding is the nation's most frequent and costly natural disaster, yet many communities remain unaware of their vulnerabilities. FEMA-designated flood zones often fail to capture the full extent of flood risks, with over 40% of national flood insurance program claims coming from outside of these zones. This gap leaves homeowners, renters, businesses, and infrastructure exposed to devastating costs. For example, Hurricane Helene resulted in an estimated $80 billion in damages across multiple southeastern states due to storm surge along the Florida coast and inland riverine flooding across western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee, with much of it occurring outside of mapped floodplains.
To address this challenge, understanding current and future risks is essential. Arcadis is working with clients by using advanced risk modeling and data-driven approaches to identify and quantify hazards beyond traditional flood maps. By investing in digital tools that leverage real-time sensing capabilities, artificial intelligence, and industry-standard risk methodologies, such as Climate Risk Nexus and the Flood Risk Calculator, Arcadis helps communities align insights and make more informed decisions about their risk. These decisions advise land use regulations, infrastructure upgrades, and emergency preparedness plans, allowing stakeholders to implement resilience measures that safeguard lives, assets, and their local economy.